This AI influencer named Emma just did a sponsored post for IKEA and got paid more than most real influencers make in months, and she's completely made by AI.
I spent the last 90 days studying over 100 AI influencer accounts, reverse engineering their business models, and what I discovered is insane. There's an entire underground economy of people making millions without ever showing their face. Imagine this, you can create clips like these without showing your face, and without needing a studio. You can earn thousands of dollars from them every month. Isn't that amazing? So follow me to learn the method that will enable you to create your own AI influencer. Okay, to create an AI influencer, we will need the APOB website. You might ask me why I chose this particular site. Simply because APOB is the ideal platform for building an AI influencer, as it offers an all-in-one, easy-to-use solution. You can design a custom digital persona, gender, age, style, look, in minutes, turn it into high-quality images and videos, even talking avatars and lip-sync, and launch it across social platforms, all without needing expensive photo shoots or lots of technical skill. On top of that, you get free daily credits to experiment and a structure built for content creators looking to monetize their digital influencer. Okay, after entering the website, you will find this interface. The first step you will take is to click on Create for Free. Then you will create an account in the usual way, and after that you will arrive at this page. Here, our task of creating our AI influencer will begin. We will click on Create Portrait Model, then two options will appear. The first allows us to create our own AI influencer using a photo, while the second option is to create from scratch. We will choose the second option. Here, I will choose some settings, including gender, age, and region. You can also select details such as eye color, hairstyle, and others. After that, you will click on Create and just wait a few seconds, and you will have your AI influencer with minimal effort. If you are not satisfied with the result, you can create a new one, and the site will fulfill your request. As for me, I am satisfied with this result, so I will continue. I will now choose a name for a character and describe it. I mentioned some traits in the description, but you are free to choose what suits you. After that, I will click on Create Your Image Model Now. Since the video talks about content creators and influencers, I am happy to talk to you about Defans. Defans is the decentralized creators platform with AI-powered insights. And it's 100% AI-friendly. Your account will never be banned for using AI. On other platforms, one ban can freeze your assets and erase your audience overnight. But on Defans, that will never happen. Even if you've been banned elsewhere, you're welcome here. Defans never bans creators. We've upgraded our system with AI analytics and a next-gen AI chatbot built to help you earn more. AI analytics isn't just data, it's strategy. See which content sells best, when your fans are most active, and how to adjust your pricing to boost income automatically. The AI chatbot acts like a real human assistant, chatting, selling, and engaging with fans even while you sleep. You set its prompts, it analyzes photos, and responds intelligently to keep sales flowing. Here's a real case. One creator joined in the evening, and by the next morning, earned over $3,000 overnight, thanks to the AI chatting with a whale. Yes, this actually happened. So if you're tired of losing control or income, switch to dfans.co, where you get instant USDT payouts, total privacy, no bans, and AI that works for you, not against you. dfans.co, your platform, your rules, your reward. Now we will start defining how our AI influencer will appear. The first thing we will do is describe the image. I will put the description I want in this field, then I will choose some important details. The first is the style of the character. I will choose it to be realistic. In appearance, I will select the clothes that the character will wear. Then we will choose the environment, the place where the character will be located. I will select the street. Next, I will choose the weather condition. After that, we will select additional settings, which are also important, including the number of images we will create, their size, and finally, the quality of those images. I will choose the highest quality, then after that, we will press Create. After a few moments, we will get these two pictures. The result is really amazing and looks very realistic. You can download the pictures and use them, but I will choose this picture and try to turn it into a video. Here, I will have to write a description explaining the movements the character will make. You can choose what suits your needs, then select the quality and duration of the video, and press Create. In just a few moments we will get this result. I won't lie to you, I was really surprised by the results, especially the quality. It's amazing. You can download the video and use it with music, or you can add a voice to it through lip sync. Here, we will choose between uploading a voice we already have, and the site will adjust the lips to match the text we have, or we can create a new voice from scratch, which is what I will do. First, we will choose a voice for the character. You can select the language, gender, and age to get more accurate results. After choosing the voice you will use, now enter the text that the character will say, preferably keeping the dialogue short. Then press Create, and you will get the voice. Select it, then press Create again. After waiting a little, this will be the result.
Looks like the night's finally quiet, just the way I like it.
Now I will tell you about another great feature on the site, which is Revideo. This feature allows you to replace the face of any character you want, whether it is a character you created or a character from a video. I will choose for the experiment the character we created, then we will select the method of obtaining the new face. Here we have several options, but I will upload a picture from my device for the experiment, and then click on Create. We will wait just a few moments after that, then we will get this. That was all. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell.